Hey guys, it's Noah here from iHollywood TV. Well, today we're going to share with you multiple ways that you can spruce up your spring and Earth Day. But we have Gary McCoy, the Lowe's store manager, standing by as he's going to share a little bit of mood boosting 101 to help us get outside and get inspired this spring. Plus a visit from HGTV star and host of ABC's The Great Christmas Light Fight, Carter Oosterhouse. Also, we're going to take you to Derek Hough as he has partnered up with Flonase in the past. But Derek, like myself and many others, are suffering from allergies. But have no fear because he's going to share with us why we should all be using Flonase when heading outside this spring. But first up, Gary is standing by outside at a Lowe's store in Troutman, North Carolina. Hello, Gary. Welcome to the show.
Hi, Noah. Good morning.
It's so nice to have you on the show this morning, Gary. So let's talk about ways that we can spruce up our spring. First of all, tell us a little bit about why being outside can actually lift our moods.
Noah, it's scientifically proven that spending 30 minutes or more outdoors in great weather will elevate your mood. I know that my favorite parts of hard days are really helping customers in the garden center. It helps empower me to tackle my own projects at home and really helps me to feel better about the day.
Now, a lot of us want to beautify our space, but we just don't know where to start, Gary. So how can we get inspired this season?
The easiest place to start is your local Lowe's. We have inspiration all around us, as you can see, with beautiful plants and DIY projects friendly for any expertise level.
Now, Gary, what help can you offer those of us who may not have the greenest of thumbs like myself?
We're really excited to launch our second annual Spring Fest event. This celebration of spring starts April 7th and runs the next 30 days. During that event, we'll be offering Red Vest expert guided tours starting April 19th, every Tuesday and Thursday evening. So they'll help you walk through your spring projects, including how to plant, any questions you may have on local plants, or DIY projects that we could help you with.
Now, Gary, what are the top 3 projects you see homeowners tackling this time of the year during spring?
Yeah, it's time to wash away winter for sure. So we're pressure washing exteriors. We are revitalizing indoor spaces through paint and wallpaper and decor. And then we're also seeing just that overall beautification of outdoor spaces. So think the addition of a great fire pit, utilizing our new modern brand Origin 21 to really revitalize the outdoor spaces in your life. And then of course plantings with ferns and new planters on the porch and outdoor landscaping projects.
Well, Gary, this has been a great conversation this morning about sprucing up our own spring, but where can we find more information about all the great things that we have discussed this morning?
Yeah, Noah, I really appreciate the question. So Lowes.com/SpringFest for all the information on local events coming up. And then to build your DIY confidence, we've got Lowes.com/DIY University. This will help you with live stream DIY workshops that will help build your confidence for spring projects like how to build a raised bed.
Thanks so much to Gary for sharing some helpful and inspiring tips for us all when planning outside activity for spring this season. Now, our next guest is best known from hosting the holiday special, The Great Christmas Light Fight on ABC. But today, he is here with us in studio in Atlanta as we celebrate Earth Day 2022. Welcome Carter Oosterhouse to iHollywood TV this morning. Hello, Carter.
Hey, Noah. How are you?
Hello, Carter. Hello. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm great.
It is so nice to have you here. By the way, I think you might be my favorite guest out of the whole week, Carter, because I have watched you on TV for so many years now, and then when they pitched me to you, I'm like, is this Carter Oosterhouse, the Carter that I know from television?
Absolutely, Noah. I'm here. I am here. Where are you?
I am actually in Augusta, Georgia. I should have just came and saw you up in Atlanta.
So
You're
much
in
easier.
ATL.
So much easier.
Right? It would have been great to have done this in person. But
Yeah.
how are you liking ATL? Because I'm sure you just flew in to do this, tour this morning.
No, we live here. My wife and I.
Excuse
we live
me,
here
Carter.
Now. Yeah, well, a lot of TV is shot here now, so
Yes.
we're always here.
So let's talk about Earth Day. It's coming up this Friday, you guys. But why recognize Earth Day with do-it-yourself projects? Because DIY is so popular in the market these days.
Yeah, I mean, look, I want to bring the eco value in everybody up. So I see all these lovely brands all the time, and I don't want you to have to change your world, but just know, so when you're going to the grocery store, when you're remodeling your home, you're just living within your space. You know what brands you can choose from that will help the earth on a consistent basis.
Now, Carter, give us an example of how to respect the environment, because we do need to take that into consideration when celebrating Earth Day.
Well, one is to look, so say you go to the grocery store, look for organic foods, organic brands. And Lundberg Family Farms, they are a leader in organic and sustainable rice farming practices. They are amazing. My 5-year-old loves their foods, from their rice to their quinoa. As a farmer myself, I love what they do because they leave the earth better than when they started.
Now, Carter, do you have any easy and sustainable tips for home improvements?
Well, of course, no. I mean, I've been working on TV for the last 20 plus years. So one thing is to look for is the Kohler Statement VES shower head. The beauty about this, it's an eco-friendly shower head. It uses 40% less water than a typical shower head does. The Statement VES low flow spray, it optimizes, so it provides that strong rinsing feeling and coverage, but maintains warmth. And of course, those are 2 key ingredients when you take a shower. So that's what you want. And they've done that, so they significantly reduce your water consumption.
Well, now let's talk about technology. I'm always so fascinated when we talk about this topic, because the consumers that buy these products, it just amazes me at how people come up and create the things that they do in tech. But how has new technology really improved our ability to conserve resources?
Yeah, I mean, technology, sustainability, and water. Growing up on the Great Lakes, I know water is such a precious resource. This Kohler H2Wise is powered by Finn. It's a whole home unit that gets put onto your plumbing line, and it helps basically monitor any water leakage around your house, pre-freeze warnings, gives you leak alerts. It's basically a way to sleep better at night, knowing that you're not going to have millions of dollars in damages if there is a leak that happens and you're not there, God forbid. You know, so it's something that just gives you peace of mind, and it's definitely going to help on your own water consumption.
That is definitely our worst nightmare. Nobody wants a leak in the house, Carter.
Nope, not at all.
No, you know. Now, Carter, do you have any environmentally friendly tips for saving money? Because we're all wanting to save money in 2022 with the gas prices, all the prices rising in the grocery stores.
Yeah, and with this new technology, there's a lot of ways of here you've seen, but also through this GE Smart, the Sync Smart thermostat. Thermostats have come a long way, and this helps you reduce your heating and your cooling costs. Thermostats do that in general, but when you get a smart one, they're easy to install. They're gonna alert you when there's overusage. You can use it on voice recognition through Google or Alexa. You can have an app so you can control it when you're not at home. So the beauty of something like this is that it's going to be in your home. If you want to get the sensors, it's going to start learning how you use your home. So it's going to use less of whether those heating or cooling, the heating or cooling. So you're going to use less money at the end of the month. Your wallet hopefully will be a little bit bigger. So things like that just go a long way to help conserving, but at the same time, help you live your everyday life.
Tell us where we can go for more information about all the great products that we've discussed this morning for Earth Day.
If you want to go to tipsontv.com, you can find out more info and give you some of the same stuff I got here, and even more to be eco-friendly to the environment, especially on Earth Day.
Tipsontv.com, you guys. Carter Oosterhouse, thank you so much for your time. It was a pleasure to get to speak with you. You take care and have a great day, and happy Earth Day to you.
Happy Earth Day to you, Noah. Thanks, appreciate it.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
We appreciate Carter and Gary for joining us this morning to help share so many options on how you can have a stress-free spring and Earth Day. But when spring arrives, you better believe the allergies arise too. Professional dancer, actor, and singer Derek Hough suffers from allergies like many of us, but he is sharing why he partnered with Flonase to fight his spring allergies. Take a look at what he has to say.
Good. Welcome to Los Angeles. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
All right, well, then grab your bags. Come on inside. Come on. Let's
Thank
go.
you.
Obviously, this is not my home or even my table, but I spent a lot of time in the studio, so I thought this would be fitting. But we're here in Los Angeles because this road trip is going to be from coast to coast. So it's a lot longer than your last one, which is exciting because you're going to be covering more ground, and you're going to have to be greater than your allergies. And you're gonna be leaving each place you visit a little bit greater. So in each city, there's gonna be a special mission, and it's gonna be basically giving back to that community and to that city in some way.
We love giving back to communities as well, so this is going to be awesome.
So can you tell us about the missions?
Yes, I will be telling you about the missions, but through Derek Graham's.
Oh.
I'll be sending you on the way, and you're going to be finding out what your mission is in each city as we go along.
So what cities are we going to?
Wow, we're going to have to complete your mission in the city you're in to find out where you're going to next.
Oh, okay.
So you'll find out as you go along the way. It makes it more exciting that way,
Yeah.
right? And again, a lot of these are going to be sort of outdoors and a challenge for people that suffer with allergies, because I don't know if you know this about me, but I suffer from allergies. So it's going to be putting your allergies to the test, but with the all-new Flonase Sensimus Allergy Relief Nasal Spray. So it's an over-the-counter product with a powerful relief, with a gentle mist that you can barely even feel. So you'll be covered for this long road ahead. You guys think you can handle that?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
And we do feel like this is going to be greater than last year, guys.
Yeah.
So I think it's time for you guys to get back to your hotel and get ready, get prepped.
There's a couple things we want you to show us first before we go, and it involves salsa.
Oh, right now?
Oh, yeah, right now.
Okay, let's do it.
Whoa.
There.
There
it is. Yeah.
That's awesome. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
so much fun.
Awesome.
AB family, good luck on your road trip. Have some fun, and don't forget to move, all right?
Thank you, Derek.
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
All right, guys, see you later.
Thank
Bye.
you. You guys ready? Yeah. We're going to have to cool her off a bit, and then let's go on this road trip.
All right.
Derek told me you were going to show off, and I want to tell you a little bit about how to rescue an animal. There you go.
Park, there's a whale.
I see a whale that needs my help.
Derek said we'd be expecting some professional weed pullers. I guess you guys are the four.
Ready? Go!
Oh, wow.
Oh, I hit the jackpot of weeds over here.
Whoa! What are you doing, huh?
I think we have ourselves a winner.
Welcome, ABs. Today, you are going to volunteer your time to teach these young ladies yoga.
You're gonna inhale and repeat after me. I am a goddess.
I am a goddess.
I am strong.
I am strong.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Good job.
That plant right there is not from Missouri, and it's killing our forests really fast.
So what can we do to help today?
I'll show you.
Look at that.
Here at the Civic Garden Center, our mission is to build community through gardening. We're going to help plant some broccoli, some strawberries. Sounds good? Woohoo!
Yay!
Any way you can get it done.
Wow, I wish my dad's grass was like this.
Now, this is 100% Kentucky bluegrass. We have to keep it as perfect as possible throughout the whole entire season, because player safety is #1 above anything else.
Hello, guys.
This is Bougie. She came yesterday.
This is Emily. She's
wants to
6
see
months
Emily?
old.
I can see you're falling in love. I can see the hearts in your eyes.
Great news, guys! We got an adoption meeting
Yay!
going on! Yay!
It was great to take the kids with us and to show them that you can go into a community and make it even greater.
We left every city greater than when we got there. I felt like I was being greater because my allergies didn't get in the way.
I didn't have to worry about it. I just used my Flonase Sensimus, and I could just have fun with my family and live in the moment.
So mission accomplished. Here's something from Derek.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Hey, ABs, congratulations on being greater than your allergies and leaving the country greater along the way. You did it.
Yay!
We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it.
Want to learn more about Flonase? Visit Flonase.com, you guys. Thank you all for watching today. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on what's new here at iHollywood TV. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.